Hello everyone, out again, up in the Cheviot on a lovely winter's day. I'm out with Freya from RS Outdoors 74, so check out his channel, and we're just going together up the valley to find a little spot that we've seen on a few people's videos, and we're going to have a overnighter. So let's go. You know what time it means. Roll that intro. There we go, heart of the Cheviot now. So the Cheviot's just up and over there. And there's Hedgehope, and that's looking down the valley where we've just come from, about 2 miles down there. Just seen one other person since we've been out, and my spot for the night is just on that bend. So I don't know how whether you can hear it, but it's quite windy now. But luckily we're just staying down low, well that's what we're planning anyway. So should be sheltered. There's Ray just up ahead. So we'll catch him up and get to the spot and we'll bring you back. Well, we made it. This is the spot for the night. Look at this forest spot though, lovely little waterfall. So like right in the heart of the Cheviot here. The Cheviot's just basically just up there. There's my home for the night. Trusty Cow Peak 2. There's plenty of food. The old kit seating bag, the sky high 900. You see some at that, you see some at pool, the jet boil, you saw ya, a couple of cans, coffees and a Mars bar. So plenty food, plenty drink, plenty warmth. Nice little spot. There's Ray and his Hillyberg. Not jealous at all. I'm in the poor man's Hillyberg, the Cloud Peak 2, but yeah, fantastic tent, the Hillyberg. It's the first time I've seen one up close in real life. Very nice. Understandable why there are as much money as there are. Look at that though. That shows you how cold it is here. I think it's about currently 2 degrees. So I'm just going to get some water, get equipped, make a cup I think. Right, let's have a look there, see if I can turn it on. There we go. Little gust there, 10 mile an hour winds, and it's 3.4 degrees. There we go, there's the little windmill going again. Great little piece of kit. That is for Christmas. Wanted one for a while. So there you go. Finally know what the temperatures and wind speed is. You see it's little gusts. You can imagine what it must be like up on Hedgehope up there. Be probably 30 or 40 mile an hour. Yeah, so again about 6 mile an hour top speed. Fantastic. What a spot. Right, got my thick hat on now and my down jacket. So just been filtered some water. Ready for cooking later. Make the coffee. So wow, it's great to be out. So mid-November. First wild camp of 2024. So yeah, we was just saying on the way up here, I'm hoping to get out every month this year, and I said yeah, that's my target again. That's what I did last year, and yeah, absolutely loved it. So first month, first wild camp, gonna take that box. It's not gonna lie to you though, it's cold. It's about 3 degrees. A little bit colder when that wind hits you, but luckily we're quite sheltered. But my body's warm. Put my kit on, got plenty of layers. And this hat is just nice and hot. So yeah, looking forward to this one. It's a nice way to drawing work day. A bit of company, bit crack. So yeah, you can see on the top of the hill there, I don't know if you can make it out. See how the heather and the ferns all moving in the wind. So just that bit of elevation from there to there. What's that about? You know, 30 metres maybe. You can see how much wind it is. Look how quick the clouds moving across the top. So yeah, I think we'll just stay here for the night. Right, we'll go and have a bit crack and see you all soon. Just like to say thank you to all the subscribers, old and new. The channel's doing really well actually in these last couple of months. We've had some copies paid for us, and quite a lot of subscribers. I think the subscribers has gone up nearly about 150 in the last couple of months. So I think I stand at 1,070 now, which is amazing. Set myself a bit of a target for getting 1,000 for my 50th birthday in March, and yeah, we've done that. So yeah, thanks everybody. Keep hitting the thumbs up, keep subscribing, keep dropping some comments in. It's good to hear your comments. You know, seeing how well I'm doing, or you like my videos, or just the equipment I use, or where I go. You know, or I'm not bothered about a little bit of criticism. If you've got any hints and tips you want to share with us. But yeah, just thank you very much. It means a lot to us. And yeah, right, get that kettle on. Right, so just sitting in the tent for 5. Ray's just making his tea there, and yeah, I've been having a good bit of crack outside. Good conversation just about how we got into wild camping, and like why we like the outdoors, and COVID, and tents, and hilly birds, and nature hike, Cloud Peak 2s, and everything. Aye, so we've had a good bit of conversation there. So he's just getting his tea, so I've come to sit in the tent. As you can probably tell by the torchlight, it's starting to get a bit dark. It's about, it is 4:30, so probably another half an hour it'll be pitch black. But yeah, so far so good. Good pitch, and yeah, we're both more than happy with the spot. So bring you back soon. Okay, so I'm just boiling some water to make myself a cup of coffee. Getting up for about 5 o'clock. I'm not actually hungry yet. I just got to have a coffee, warm myself up. You can see it's pretty dark now, really. It's dark enough to leave the torch on. I'm going to look forward to getting this. Right, so I've had a lovely cup of coffee to warm us up. So now I'm drinking a lovely cold beer to cool us down. You've got to have a beer, haven't you? So this one is the ICO NYC American Style Pale Ale. I got it for Christmas. It is, let's just have a look here, 5%. Do you know what? It's really nice. It's going down very well. Bit cold. But yes, very nice. I'm going to have this and then probably make myself some supper, which will probably be like a Sea of Summit meal or a Wayfarer meal. Oh yeah, I do like that. And I've got one more can to have, and yeah, great night. Just having a bit of crack with Ray. Or yes, door 74. In a beautiful spot in a beautiful part of England, so it's all good. All good. So cheers everyone. Okay, now supper time. I think it's only 6:30 or something. 6 o'clock? It's not even 6:30. So we've been having another bit of crack with Ray. There we go, that's tonight's tea. Jet boils on. I'm glad to see the gas is working alright at the minute. So fingers crossed that'll keep it up. If that doesn't fill us up, I've got a Sea of Summit chicken feet with rice. That is very nice. I got them when I was doing the Cumbrian Way in my shop in Keswick. So yeah, I got them when I went wild camping on the Cumbrian Way, and they're really nice. The chicken fajita with rice. So we're just going to boil some water and have a pasta ai funghi at least. Had that first can, that was really nice. So having food and then having another can. So far, great night. Right, that's supper done. Really enjoyed that pasta meal in a little Mars bar. So that's filled us up. It's getting on for 7 o'clock now, pitch black. So I'm just going to go and wash my stuff in the river and have another beer, I think. Why not? Well, great night, great conversation. It's been really nice meeting Ray and putting the worlds to rights and talking about wild camping and life and everything else that goes with it. So time to get some shut eye now. So I'm all cozy in my sleeping bag. So we'll see you in the morning. Morning, it's about 7:30. Just woke up, had a canny night's sleep. Woke up a couple of times through the night, but nothing to worry about. So just gonna make myself a cup of coffee, get on the way, and start packing up, I think. Fantastic night.